My name is Mike Jordan.
Hi, my name is Kai Gladen.
Together, we are the Bold Guys.
Hi and good morning from Germany. It's a very hot Germany right now. We have temperatures around 38 degrees, which is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, I guess, and so it's really hot. By the way, hot. Have you heard about the latest news from SAP regarding the Intelligent Enterprise? No? So maybe Mike has some very interesting information for you. Enjoy watching.
Hello and welcome to this video about the Intelligent Enterprise at SAP. So you've heard from SAP about the Intelligent Enterprise. I'm sure you've seen some of the notifications, but what is it? Surely every enterprise thinks it's intelligent, otherwise how would they make any money? And of course every software vendor believes its version of intelligence is going to be the one true version. So what does SAP mean when it talks about the Intelligent Enterprise? What's distinctive about it? And how can you benefit from it within your organizational context? In the following brief videos, we will be introducing you to the Intelligent Enterprise, and we'll be talking about where it sits in our history of value creation. We're going to be talking about what capabilities it has and therefore what kind of outcomes it would provide for your organization. So where the rubber hits the road, where's the value coming from for you? And then we're going to go a little bit into what are the different components of this thing we're calling the Intelligent Enterprise. So how do these different parts fit together? And then just summarizing it all up. And in the future, we'll be going a little bit deeper for you. So the Intelligent Enterprise represents the next era of enterprise computing, which will help you to drive accelerated value creation. Between the 1960s and the 1980s, value creation possibilities came mainly from mainframes and large-scale industrial automation. Moving into the 1990s and early 2000s, the so-called noughties, client-server architecture, widespread PC adoption, broadband internet provided the next generation of value creation possibilities. And then from the 2010s, we've experienced the excitement and the value of the move into the cloud and mobile and big data and other such things, which have all been driving digital transformation around the globe. So this leads to the current time and what's happening at the current time with the Intelligent Enterprise. The Intelligent Enterprise is driving the next generation of accelerated value creation through the exciting possibilities afforded by the newest combinations of things like machine learning, Internet of Things, blockchain, and other technologies. We're going to be exploring how the combinations of these and other technologies from SAP support greater levels of automation and value creation with enhanced and new business models. With the Intelligent Enterprise, you'll be able to get a better and deeper understanding of what your customers want, more powerful and faster actionable insights to be able to react faster to new opportunities. You'll be able to use data to create more engaging employee experiences, understand where you need to fund future innovation while sustaining today's business and today's profits. And the Intelligent Enterprise does this through three sets of capabilities which support three kinds of outcomes. So let's go a little bit deeper into those. So what kind of capabilities are provided by the Intelligent Enterprise and what kind of outcomes do they lead to? So number one, firstly, the Intelligent Enterprise provides greater visibility. How does it do that? The Intelligent Enterprise, through its seamless integration, provides the ability to collect and connect data that was previously in silos and therefore find patterns that were previously hidden from view. So this provides new opportunities for you with these actionable insights. Secondly, on top of visibility, the Intelligent Enterprise provides focus. So what does this mean? This is represented by the ability to simulate the impact of potential options that you might want to go with, and through those simulations to direct your scarce resources into the areas of maximum impact. So you're not wasting, you can focus on the right areas. And thirdly, agility. So this is the ability of the Intelligent Enterprise to respond faster to changes in the marketplace or the business and to pivot your business processes towards the right customer outcomes. So we've had those three capabilities, but you'll be interested in knowing what does that actually mean in terms of my business? What value can I get from it? Well, this is going to lead to both employee empowerment as they're freed up to do more meaningful activities, while at the same time you can do more with less, so there are efficiency gains coming through it. Examples include things like warehouse automation, predictive lead management, automated invoice and payment matching, and many, many others. Moreover, you can deliver a best-in-class customer experience by anticipating and proactively responding to customer needs. For example, by creating self-service capabilities with chatbots, omni-channel customer service, and personalized customer service. Again, a greater focus of your best people onto the greatest value customers, and automating some of the rest of your processes. And finally, you can add new business models and revenue streams by monetizing data-driven capabilities and applying core competencies in new ways. Examples include shared economy and network-based business, or through the expansion into new businesses and markets. So we've been talking about the intelligent enterprise, but let's get into what it is, how it's built up, what its components are. We've been talking about the intelligent enterprise in terms of the history of technology and the history of value creation. We've described its core capabilities, and we've described what it can achieve for you, what outcomes it can drive. But what is it? What are the constituent parts that deliver the intelligent enterprise? Well, the intelligent enterprise at SAP is comprised of three components: the intelligent suite, the digital platform, and intelligent technology. So let's go through them one by one. Firstly, with the intelligent suite. So let's talk about the intelligent suite. The intelligent suite is made up of intelligent applications for every line of business. So these applications provide out-of-the-box integration, leveraging SAP Cloud Platform, the SAP Analytics Cloud Platform, and a common data foundation with SAP HANA and SAP Data Hub. They come with the best-in-class UX, providing a consistent experience across the entire portfolio. And they're modular, which makes it easy to consume and cost-effective to operate. In addition, they're very easy to extend, allowing customers and partners to customize solutions very quickly. And finally, the intelligence is embedded into the applications, making the workflows smarter. But what is the digital platform component, the second part that I was describing? Well, the digital platform provides a unified data management layer to capture real-time value from different types of data on the cloud platform. This provides high-performance data warehousing and analytics capabilities in applications powered by SAP HANA, with data orchestration and all your metadata management provided by SAP Data Hub. Through different application programming interfaces and business services, you can then build new innovations and extend the business processes of the intelligent suite. And finally, the third component. Let's move to this intelligent enterprise component called intelligent technologies. Well, this layer comprises those innovative SAP Leonardo technologies that again, I'm sure you'll have heard about, such as Internet of Things, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Also blockchain as a service and digital boardroom, amongst others. Driven by design thinking and industry accelerators, these technologies can help customers derive value from innovative new technologies quickly and with reduced risk. Well, I hope that this was an interesting and useful introduction to where the intelligent enterprise sits in terms of the history of the SAP's development of technology and technology in the industry. And you can see how through using these different suite components connected together with their extensibility and their modular capabilities, you can drive real next generation value within your business. We will be making a set of deeper videos going more deeper into the topic of intelligent enterprise and all the elements that comprise it. And we're very interested in what your opinions are, where you have more questions, what you would like to learn more about. But thank you for watching so far.
Thank you, Mike. This is interesting stuff, isn't it? I would like to get more information about that. You too? So, like Mike said, we want to know what you want to know about the intelligent enterprise. And please leave your wishes in the comments down below here on YouTube. And now, good luck and stay tuned on the Bald Guys channel.